It's a 2008 Honda Ridgeline. It's just as capable on the job site as it is good looking in front of a gallery opening. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, power sliding and tilting sunroof, AM/FM satellite radio, key fob activated rear windows, front heated leather bucket seats, front and rear tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. This from Automobile, because the Ridgeline's independent rear suspension takes up far less space than a live axle. Honda was able to add a large compartment under the truck bed, providing a clean and dry home to the spare tire, and more significant, an 8.5 cubic foot trunk. At last, secure, weatherproof outside the cab cargo space in a pickup. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.